Raj Mittra. Raj Mittra, born 1 July 1932, is an Indian-born electrical engineer and academician. He is currently a professor of electrical engineering at University of Central Florida. Previously, he was a faculty member at University of Illinois at Urbana, Champaign, and Pennsylvania State University, where he was the director of the Electromagnetic Communication Laboratory of the Electrical Engineering Department. His specialities include computational electromagnetics and communication antenna design. Biography. Mittra was born in 1 July 1932 in India. In 1950, he graduated from Agro College, Uttar Pradesh, with a Bachelor of Science in Physics, followed by a Master of Science in Radio Physics received in 1953 from the University of Calcutta, in Kolkata, India, and a PhD in Electrical Engineering in 1957. Professional career. In 1957, Mittra became a visiting assistant professor in the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department at the University of Illinois in Urbana, Illinois. In 1961, he was promoted to associate professor, and in 1966 to full professor. At this time, he also became the associate director of the Electromagnetics Laboratory. In 1984, he was named the director of its Electromagnetic Communication Laboratory and continued to work at the University of Illinois until he retired in 1996. After a short retirement, later in 1996, Mittra took a professor position at Penn State in the Electrical Engineering Department. He founded and was appointed as the director of its Electromagnetic Communication Laboratory. He still holds these positions in 2013. In 2015, he moved to Orlando, Florida, and became a professor at University of Central Florida. He served a one-year term as president of the E-Antennas and Propagation Society ABS from 1976 to 1977. He became president of RM Associates, a consulting firm, in 1980 and remains so in 2013. He was elected to the board of directors of the Electromagnetics Society in 1978. He was the editor for the Transactions, Antennas, and Propagation Society from 1980 to 1983 and International Journal of Electronics and Communications from 1975 to 2001. Research and publications. Mittra's research interests include communication antenna design, computational electromagnetics, electromagnetic modeling and simulation of electronic packages, electromagnetic compatibility EMC analysis, and radio scattering. Books authored or co-authored. R. Mittra and S. W. Lee, Analytical Techniques in the Theory of Guided Waves, Macmillan and Company, 1971. D. Bouch, F. Molinet, and R. Mittra, Asymptotic Methods in Electromagnetics, Springer Verlag, 1997. A. F. Peterson, S. L. Ray, and R. Mittra, Computational Methods for Electromagnetics, the E/OUP Series on Electromagnetic Wave Theory, and Oxford University Press, 1997. Wenhua Yu and Raj Mittra, CFDTD. Conformal Finite Difference Time Domain Maxwell's Equations Solver, Software, and User's Guide Artec House Publisher, 2004. Yinqiao Chen, Quenxing Cao, Raj Mittra, Multi-Resolution Time Domain Scheme for Electromagnetic Engineering, a John Wiley & Sons, Inc., publication January 2005. Wenhua Yu, Raj Mittra, Tao Su, Yangzheng Liu, and Xiaoling Yang, Parallel Finite Difference Time Domain Method, Artec House Publisher, July 2006. Books edited or co-edited. R. Mittra, Numerical and Asymptotic Techniques for Electromagnetics, Springer Verlag, 1975. R. Mittra and H. L. Monders, Spectral Theory of Diffraction, Modern Topics in Electromagnetics and Antennas, Peter Peregrines Limited, New York, 1977. R. Mittra, W. A. Imbriel, and E. J. Monders, Satellite Communication Antenna Technology, North Holland, 1983. R. Mittra, Computer Techniques for Electromagnetics, Pergamon Press, 1973. Revised, Hemisphere Publishing Corporation, 1987. A. Giran, R. Mitra, and P. J. Moser, eds. Electromagnetic Wave Interactions with a Foreword by Hans A. Bev, World Scientific, New Jersey, 1996. Douglas H. Werner and Raj Mittra, Frontiers in Electromagnetics, E-Press, 1999. Awards. He has received the following awards: E. James H. Mulligan, Jr., 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 Jr. Education Medal 2011, E. Electromagnetics Award 2006, APS Chen Tatai Distinguished Educator Award 2004, E/APS Distinguished Achievement Award 2002, E. Millennium Medal 2000, E. Centennial Medal 1984,